find this event super important for the people that is coming to Barcelona. It helps people to settle easier because they can now see that they are not alone in a big city such as Barcelona, that there is a whole community that is here to help them, to guide them, and to make their establishing here easier.
There are a lot of things that you can find here, a lot of information, a lot of people you can meet.
The most interesting is the diversity that we have here. Not only the cultural diversity, but also the professional diversity. We have different fields and different backgrounds.
As an entrepreneur, I've been mostly interested in the aspects of the entrepreneurial discussions and companies that offer entrepreneurial services.
I think the program of activities at this event was very diverse, and I especially liked that there was childcare and child activities available because that meant people of all sorts of different ages could come.
I would totally recommend this event for people that wants to get in touch with the international community.
Come and enjoy the Barcelona International Community Day.